Absolute beautiful day out here at Hollywood. It is Tuesday and we are here for some updates. It's been a while since I've been at Universal Bazaar. Let's check it out. They always got the most random stuff. We're here with my boy Hector.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. High five. High five.
Another
Leave me hanging.
Universal day over here.
And we got Junior inside the park. Hey, all this makes sense to me now because I've seen the movie.
Yeah, now we saw He-Man.
He-Man.
You know what? One thing about the movie that I wanted to see, like, I am He-Man. At least like in the
transformation.
Yeah, but
it's like
him,
they didn't want to show.
Yeah, him saying like, I am He-Man and just transform. I think that was. I thought that was gonna be the secret ending.
Yeah.
That's the only thing that was missing from that movie. But other than that, the movie was magical.
Yeah,
I like it.
super good. Super good. Yeah, She-Ra is gonna be a big part of the second movie, if it ever gets made. Who knows? But yeah, this dude right here stole the show.
Yeah. Jared Leto.
Yeah, never would have thought.
They never promoted
Jared
him
Leto
as much,
legit killed it. I kind of want some of this stuff now that I like the movie. Finally made it in. I can't wait. Lots of good updates, some new merch. Hopefully we get on some rides. It's going to be a good one today. So we got a new merch stand that has arrived. Fast and Furious. Kind of crazy though, because it doesn't say Hollywood Drift. You know, that's kind of the more specific stuff everybody's been waiting for, is some Hollywood Drift stuff. This shirt is new. They have brought back the Toretto chain family. This I feel like is new. I don't remember seeing this, but look at that. It doesn't say Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift. And then over here on the right side, this is all Fast and Furious merch. So maybe we are on the cusp of new merch specific to the ride. You know, we want Hollywood Drift. We want stuff to say Hollywood Drift. I don't want no Wild Speed merch. I want Hollywood Drift. Right, Hector?
What?
You want Wild Speed or Hollywood Drift merch?
I want Hollywood Drift merch. Yeah.
You're over the Wild Speed.
It just doesn't make any sense so far. You know, it doesn't make no sense.
Yeah, we want Hollywood Drift.
Like even on the newer artwork right here, it doesn't say Wild Speed. Like this looks cool.
Yeah,
like,
I like that.
It says like Drift King. Like that's sick.
Oh, it says Drift King.
Yeah,
I didn't even
Drift
realize.
King, you know?
Yeah, I see it.
DK doesn't mean Donkey Kong. It means Drift King.
Drift King. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Ride or die. Toretto's Garage. Unstoppable.
Ride or die, that's who I am.
Yeah. This is the backside of the merch stand. They just need to put this into a shirt. Like that whole design in the background, put that on a shirt. It'd be cool. Also too, I just want to say, look how lonely these center characters are. Just lonely. One announcement. Only one announcement. Just lonely. They need some friends, man. They need some friends. We need some announcements. Damn it. It seems like Jurassic Park stuff keeps trickling in slowly. Look at this hat. First time seeing this one. That's clean. $27. Look at all the different t-shirts we have now. Yeah, this colorway is sick. You know, the only thing that would make all of this even cooler if they brought those shoes. Because there's some shoes that release with this colorway right here. That'd be awesome. I wish they sold shoes like that. Like theme shoes to Universal, at Universal Studios Hollywood. One thing we are going to get is Jaws characters back for Mega Movie Summer. And they got lots of Jaws merch currently. This is probably one of the coolest zippers of all time. First time seeing this bag. Look at this. Universal Studios Loungefly. That is sick. It opens up too. You know, you can put your wallet and cards there. And then look at this. It has the canister. So you put it right there like that. This is a side body bag. Here's the back side. It's being sold for $75. Really, really cool. And I like the detail they put on the back, like the shark bit it, you know? That's crazy. Damn, a balcony? What? Incarnations? Wow, my first reaction, actor. They're gonna put an actor there. What do you think, Junior? We're gonna get an actor or what?
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Yeah, why are they doing that?
Yeah, no.
Why would they do that and not put an actor there?
Yeah, it's gonna be an actor, like maybe like a dad. With
The
her
dad?
With her father. Okay, you know, they.
Yeah, or
You know, they walk with the daughter,
maybe it
so.
could be El Padrino del DJ.
Something like that,
I don't know.
something like that, whatever it is.
Oh, that's for an actor, bro. What do you think? What do you think?
She's gonna come. She's gonna.
You think it's the girl?
I think the
chan-
quinceañera is gonna
girl?
come out here. She's gonna invite her people to her party,
Oh.
to her quinceañera party.
Hey,
and
maybe
you're
she's
gonna be welcome.
like normal right here.
Yeah. Oh,
You know what I mean? Like,
that'd
like
be cool.
she's not. What I don't know what kind of possession or
Yeah.
evil's. Obviously, something evil's gonna happen. Because why would you be at horror nights? You know. Yeah. Or maybe she gets cursed right there.
Yeah,
You
maybe.
get what I'm saying?
Maybe a little
Like-
cool pre-show, you know?
Yeah, like you want to be 15 years old? Curse! I'm gonna
wanna
curse you,
die.
Junior. Nah, that dude, actor. I don't know what else to say. Oh, look, they're actually finishing the rooftop too. Look at this. Damn. They've been hard at work out here. They're killing it, man. They did this in like a week, literally. Wow. Awesome. You can actually see. Yeah, I'm thinking this is for an actor, man.
Hey, I think more than one actor, because you got the windows too.
No, that's what I was
They got
saying.
like 3 actors there.
What
Maybe like her parents.
like or it's the quinceañera and the chambelán.
Yeah. Oh, that'd be cool.
Yeah, quinceañera and the chambelán, so you
I'm
get
actually
two.
more excited about this. If it is a quinceañera type thing, I'm actually pretty hyped about it.
But if it don't have tiempo de vals, I'm gonna be I'm gonna be frustrated.
Yeah, because that's another Hispanic, you know, thing that Hispanic
Yeah.
people
I'll
do,
be
you
okay
know?
with mariachi. I'll be okay with that too.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Mariachi?
Oh, that'll be cool.
I could see them use the mariachi. Remember they had the mariachi scare on the monstros?
Oh, yeah.
Those guys. I could see them.
What was that
being in
guy's name again?
there.
Oh man.
Yeah, my friend.
I
Yeah.
just know Talatucci. Talatucci. Oh, wood is rising! Wood is rising! Oh! Look at this. Look how much room is in there. Look at that. Lots of room for activities. Even in here. This one's a lot smaller of room. But yeah, I just want to show like the width and how deep that goes. John Murdy did allude that we're gonna have to wait till Midsummer Scream.
Yeah, this is gonna be a midsummer. If it is a like an original, it's gonna be a midsummer.
Hey, I just want John Murdy to walk out to Tiempo de Vals.
That'd be cool. He starts dancing.
Yeah, John Murdy walks out to that Tiempo de Vals. Oh, here comes trouble.
Well, you decide to bless us with your presence.
Hey, I brought you 2 snacks, Dracula.
You brought me
Lunchtime,
2
some lunchtime snacks right
This
here.
guy comes to visit me, very nice. This guy comes to visit me, and you somewhere else.
I came to pay my respects to Dracula.
Yeah.
Can you bow down lower?
I see that he spends a lot more time at the other place.
No. I'm here all the time.
Favorite.
Nah,
What do
you are my
call him?
favorite.
What name do you give him?
I don't know. I don't even know what to call him
Mondo
anymore.
from the north.
Mondo, no, Dumbo, because he's at the other park all the time.
No,
Yes.
Dracula. You're all I think about.
Lies.
How's your day though?
So far, so good until you came.
Until Dumbo showed up.
Yeah, thank you. Now you know what to call it. No more Mondo. Now
Oh
it's
my
Dumbo.
god! Oh
Maybe
my
you can fly
god!
away with
I
your
lost,
ears.
I lost my
Yeah,
name.
yeah, just flap them really hard and leave and go to the other place.
Taking a look now at Fast and Furious. Currently no testing, sadly. Maybe later on in the day they do. A lot of work happening though right here in the queue. I wonder if they're setting up like another prop or something. One thing that was interesting is scaffolding arrived over here, but they are still testing. It's not stopping testing at all, so I guess they're just monitoring something on that side. But we're gonna get on the studio tour at some point. Maybe we'll come back and see if we can find testing today. But this is looking great. Hopefully, you know, it all goes all the way down. But I'm sure they'll finish that soon. Let's keep going. Look how high the walls are. Wow. And there's gonna be some big scenes.
Well, I wonder who it is.
Yeah, they added a fence over here at the end of the ride. Interesting. Oh my Lanta, what is going on here? Damn. Damn. Okay. I know this sounds ridiculous, but I see a guy on top. Does this facade get a guy on the top or a person on the top?
I didn't even notice.
Maybe this is the year of people on top of facades.
Yeah. Well, let's get everybody in the high ground.
What do you think? Look. Oh my Lanta. What is it a castle or something? What the freak? And then on the back side, any work over there? Nothing yet. Nothing yet. But wow. What do y'all think, man? Post in the comments right now. I could totally see a person be at the top and then maybe an actor coming through the windows. So he could be on the first floor or second floor. I don't know. I'm just throwing stuff out there. But yeah, seeing that worker right there totally gives me a vibe. A scare actor could be up top. Wow. Interesting, dog. That's interesting.
If that's Ozzy, I could probably see Ozzy on top.
What? Ozzy? I guess. I don't know. To me, that looks like a castle. That's what I'm thinking.
Prince of Darkness, you know?
Oh, Prince of Darkness. Yeah, yeah. Oh my gosh. You could see a person in there. Look at this. Wow. We just went down a level from the escalators. You know, I just have to say it. I'm getting a vibe that we might have an actor up top. And that actor could maybe also go on the first floor. Or maybe this facade has two actors. One through the doors and one through the top. It's not weird to say that because when you think of Last of Us, that had two actors outside at all times. You remember that, Junior? Last of Us had two actors.
Yeah.
And I'm just saying, yeah.
Same thing.
I'm just saying, it's not a weird thing to have two actors at the
Yeah,
facade.
no, because for the most part, even a Dead Exposure had an actor outside, so having an extra actor is easy
Or
work,
even Jason
you know?
Universe had an actor.
Yeah, had an actor outside. Like they do actors outside of the facade.
On the Mummy. Yeah. Wow. It looks like there's enough space down there. We see a person in there. Right there. Wow, this is crazy. You could almost make out there's like signage that's in the cube because the walls have come down over here. Hector was saying he has a theory. He thinks all these panelings are going to be taken off. Do you think they could be temporary? I sure hope so, because it does look like fence, you know what I mean? It's just like overkill putting a panel on there and you can't see out. I hope so. But walls have come down also right here. So we can actually see the back of this queue. This long queue that we're gonna be waiting for Fast and Furious. One of the best tips I could give visiting theme parks in the summertime, bring your own cup. So you could just fill it up with water in these freestyle machines. Saves you a lot of money. You could just get it for free. You don't have to buy $5, $6 water bottles. All right, studio tour time. Let's get these updates.
We use it for our camera operators, our lighting. We also use it for our animators in post, and then also for the actors so they can see where Ted should be in the scene. Anytime Ted is holding something, it's CGI, but there's a lot of pass-offs between Ted and real actors. So we need that practical pass-off to help us in visual effects. These are my punching arms in case Ted has any hand interaction. I hide under beds, I hide under tables, and sometimes I have to crawl into the scene. It depends on the setup.
Hi, I'm a struggling record producer, and I need your talents on my label.
So this is my headphones.
Damn, taco truck.
Lots of vehicles parked over here.
Taco
And
truck.
if you've ever wondered why we have, these metro sets here versus going out to the real world, well, all the space that we've got here is
going on?
probably the main reason why. Not
A
only
red
can
carpet.
we accommodate the cast and crew members' vehicles in this area so that they won't have to park far away from set, but we also have a lot of space to set up sound stages 34 to 30 to 33. These sound stages have been home to shows like the hit reality competition series The Voice, currently airing on NBC, and also Happy Place.
Every scene from a different angle, all at the same time. Each episode takes about a week to make, from the first read-through of the script to rehearsals to taping. That hasn't been true for 30 years.
They're doing so much work over here.
Time, don't wave at him, he's psycho. Anyhow, folks, take a look to your left. There's a famous psycho house where Norman and Mother live.
There's a lot of wood.
You got an emergency, drop something on the road, or need to use the restroom, pull that record around the ceiling, stay secret.
Here we go.
So finally got everybody can look up again. You know, after going through that, we need rest, relaxation, cooling down. What better way to cool down than by taking a dip in the water? In fact, behind those trucks, you can see Falls Lake. You probably don't think it's a lake because, well, it's just an empty pit right now with some trucks. But when we fill it up with water under screens, you can see what it looks like. You know what goes really well in a lake? Well, a boat. In fact, on your right is the actual screen-used ship from Christopher Nolan's The Odyssey, starring Matt Damon. Be sure to catch Christopher Nolan's The Odyssey in theaters starting July 17th. I'll be by the directory in a bit in case you have any questions or want to stop by and say hi. We hope you have a fantastic afternoon here. I leave you with...
What an awesome studio tour. There's some great updates over there at Jurassic World. We got a really close-up look at T-Pad, possibly Killer Clowns. The one I was surprised over here at Curious George, not the first maze, but the one behind, that facade, they're not working on it or whatever. I'm guessing the resources right now are going to Parisian Courtyard and Mummy. And I guess T-Pad. Maybe those are like the ones they want to knock out right now. But let's keep going with our trip. We just saw that they're testing Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift, so I had to walk through Parisian Courtyard, and this time I couldn't resist. I was like, let me get myself some macarons. These are so good. If you come to Universal, try it out. This is at French Street Bistro. And I think they're $1.50 each, but you could apply your discount, your annual pass. Last stop of the day, animation store. I was just curious if new Minion stuff is arriving, because we got the new movie. I think it's July 1st, so right around the corner. Look at this, we got a shoulder Minion now. It's called Perched. Henry. Content creator, okay. This is all I'm seeing for today. I'll keep an eye out though if more arrives. Hopefully a new Minion arrives. That's what I keep thinking. Bring a new Minion. And that's going to be all for today's adventure out here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Can't wait to come back and keep up with all the HHN stuff. Fast and Furious, hopefully tests next time we're here. And most importantly, Saturday, the big kickoff to Mega Movie Summer. So there should be a lot of stuff going on Saturday. I'll try to make my way out. Hopefully we can rope drop Saturday. We'll see. We'll see. All right, everybody, smash that like button. We are firing it daily.